Hi, thanks so much for checking out Gamably, the online platform that makes it super easy for you to add game mechanics to your classroom, your event, your organization, just about anything else. My name is Adam Geisen. I'm one of the co-founders of Gamably, and I am so excited to help you level up your engagement. So I want to start by showing you how easy it is to create your first game, so let's jump right in. So we're going to get started here by going to gamably.com. This website's got some blog posts, it's got information, it's got a lot of ways that you can start to learn about how gamification works, but we're going to jump right in and hit start now. So we're going to get started by signing in. You can also create an account from this page. You can join a game if you're a player, or if you want to just try this out without creating any accounts, you can click give it a try and see everything from a manager's and a player's perspective. We're going to go ahead and jump into the sign in. I'm going to sign in with Google. I have an account that way. Once it takes me to my home page here, you'll see I don't have any created games yet, so we're going to jump in and do that. The first thing we see is that we got three options. We can start from scratch, we can copy an existing game, or you can start with a template. We've got some templates in here. These are always growing and changing, but you can click on these learn more buttons to find out a little bit more. It's a great way to get started if you're not real sure and you just want to try some things out. Everything in those games can be changed afterwards, so if you don't love the design, you can always change it, and we'll see that here in just a second. So we're going to create a game from scratch. First thing that we see here, since this is a free game, a free account, is that we want to make sure that you're aware of any limitations. You've got only up to 50 players, 50 game elements, but with the free account, you still have access to points and leaderboards, levels, secret codes, marketplace, challenges. There's other things like quests and a point of sale and things like that for the premium users, but for here, this is a great way to get started. So we're going to go ahead and click next. Now here's where we name our game and put some information in for our players. So I'm going to give it, we're going to go with a literature pirate adventure game in this sort of run through here. When we put the name in, it autofills the join code. You can change that join code to be something more custom if you want to, be shorter. You're welcome to do that as long as it doesn't already exist. I'm going to throw in a short description that I had already prepared, and I'm going to throw in a longer description here. So here again, this is where your players you might put links or anything like that into this part where they might want to look up some information. We just kind of threw a little headline in there. You can do bullet points and things like that. So now we're going to jump to the design. Now there are four options for design. You can choose an icon, you can choose a header, you can change the background and the color of the buttons, the primary color that you'll see throughout the game. So we'll start with the icon. You have the option of choosing an existing icon. We throw a bunch of things in that you can use to get started. You can upload your own, and then you can set border options if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and choose an existing one and go to the free content. We've got these game icons right here. We've thrown in a bunch of different themes. I'm going to choose that pirate one because I like that a lot. That looks good to me. Now I'm going to choose a header. I'm also going to do the existing header. It threw me right back into the game icon. So I'm going to jump back out and go to game headers. I'm going to choose my pirate header here. There we go. That's perfect. And let's choose a background that fits. We've got some with pictures, again, that fit the theme. And if you just want to choose a gradient background, you can do that as well. I'm going to go with my pirate theme here. And since there's some color differences, let's throw a border on the primary color border on here. Perfect. All right, so we're good to go. I'm going to click next. Now we are choosing how to roster our players. So you have two options. The first option is that you create the players and you give them their login and their password information so then they can sign in. They don't have to create an account. We don't have any sort of player information in that way, just what you give us. The other option is that they can join with their accounts that they create. For right now, I'm just going to choose the upload option. If you do choose the option where they can join with their own accounts, you now can set domain restrictions or email address restrictions. So if you just want to allow the players, you have all their email addresses, throw them all in there in a comma separated list, and it'll only allow those players. Right now, I'm just going to say I'm going to upload the player list. So let's look at our review. We got our name, we got our join code, we got our short description, the long description. We've chosen the full game. We're allowing uploads. They are not allowed through their roster, and this is what the game's going to look like. So let's click the finalize. Are you ready to save it? And boom, we are now ready. The first time you go in, we've got sort of some videos here that can help you get started. But now you're ready. Your game is ready to go, and you can start throwing in your players.